given by Pink 1924, and I said that it means original steep slope being replaced by the lower angle slope. Can we say that? This steep slope is replaced by low angle slope. Or we can say that this free face slope is replaced by rectilinear slope. और ये मटेरियल स्क्री यहाँ पे डिपॉजिट होते जा रहा है एंड फ्री फेस फिनिश होते जा रहा है. स्क्री इज इंक्रीजिंग हियर एंड अल्टीमेटली फिनिश्ड. सो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इज, ये कोई मैं ज्यादा टफ चीज नहीं पढ़ा रहा हूँ. यू कैन फील लाइक दिस, जो आप लोग पहले क्लियर नहीं था कि पैरेलल हाउ इट इज हैपनिंग and how do the slope replacement is happening. Understood? And I said that slope replacement means original steep slopes are replaced by lower angle slopes. Means I said that in other words, free face is replaced by a rectilinear slope. Free face is replaced by which extend upward from the base. Upward from the base. वो कहाँ से increase हो रहा है? It is upward, which is extending from. It is extending upward. It is extending upward from the base. From the base, it is increasing upward at a constant angle. What is the angle? There will be must be कोई एक angle होगा, 30 होगा, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. At a constant angle. If it is some angle is there, they will maintain this constant angle, rectilinear slope. Understood? So free face slope is slowly buried. खत्म हो गया है ना? By scree which accumulates at the base of a cliff. इस cliff standing feature को क्या कहा जाता है? या free face से जो भी material गिरा, scree deposited and then buried in the scree itself. आप मिट्टी में buried हो रहे हैं तो मट्टी में करेंगे and then this is we are buried in the scree, then we'll say buried in the free face or cliff. Sorry, free face or cliff is buried in the scree or rectilinear slope. उसी चीज को इधर उधर बदल के कर रहे हैं. What the line I said that steep slope is replaced by low angle slopes. Then I said that free face is replaced by rectilinear slope, and then we can be able to say the cliff is buried in the what? Scree, and all are extending from base to the upward. It means replacement of cliff by scree. Yes or not? So the same thing has been said in the three manner. Same thing has been said in the three manner. Understood it? I said that this free face has been replaced by rectilinear slope. This cliff has been replaced by, I said that, scree, and this is cliff means standing feature, and then I said that steeper slope is replaced by low angle slope. All parts of the cliff face are exposed to the weathering. Free face पे क्या होता है? Weathering. And the scree accumulating at the base, increasing the height, and if it is not removed, it eventually replaces the entire cliff. यदि यहाँ से नहीं हटाया जा रहा और it keeps on depositing, ये material नहीं हटाया जा रहा तो it keeps on increasing the height, and over the period क्या हो जाएगा? It will finish and it will become like yes. Height has been increased, free face, rectilinear, at the cost of, and the scree accumulating at the base, increasing in height, and if it is not removed, it will eventually replace the entire cliff by a slope of about 35-degree angle of the rest, and it will remain the constant. Understood? And this is, I said that continued weathering at the cliff and removal leads to the upward extension of this gentler slope. Yes or no? Continued weathering and removal from the cliff, from the scree, from the steeper slope, continued deposition along the rectilinear, or I said the lower angle slope, or the scree keep on increasing. And then this continue until the whole of the 35 slope has been replaced from the below by the gentler slope. और ये gentle slope जो था वो completely क्या हो जाएगा? Replaced. This gentle slope has been completely replaced. and this is known as, I say, slope replacement. Understood it? Clear? Now there is a coming of downwesting, or better to say, what is the meaning of interfluve? Yes, what is the meaning of interfluve? Fluve का मतलब समझते हैं ना? Yes, water divide. Interfluve or water divide. And ये नहीं समझेंगे तो फिर you can't understand the Davis का slope decline. ये यहाँ पर फोर्सेस को नहीं दिखाया गया कि एनी फोर्स इज टेकिंग प्लेस, क्योंकि इट हैज बीन डन इन द साउथ अमेरिका, एंड साउथ अमेरिका इज एन कंपैरेटिवली द पार्ट ऑफ दिस अर्जेंटीना, द पार्ट ऑफ दिस little bit of Bolivian side, there is a less rainfall is happening. तो हमने क्या बोला कि ये कैसा थ्योरी है? pragmatic approach, behavioral world map of cycle of erosion, and then finally it is in a probabilistic, क्योंकि उन्होंने जो इस इरोजन को देखा उसी तरीके से अपनी थ्योरी को बना दिया, क्लियर? और वो एक ही रीजन को देख के नहीं बनाएंगे. In that same reason and this, and they have studied here and there, and thereafter they have given this idea. पानी को भी इम्पोर्टेंस दिया इन्होंने, लेकिन it has not given too much. इसीलिए तो आज Penck has what is highly criticized. One thing is that it has not been completely better way में it has been translated. The German, it has been written in the German and it has not been better way the word. जब geography का word आया, यदि मैं बोलूँगा penny plain कैसा word है? Tell me. It's an earlier when the penny plain, paddy plain and Pangaea, Panthalassa word come, उससे पहले ये word था नहीं. अब वो लिख कर मर गए और उसको कोई पढ़ नहीं पा रहा है कि इसका मतलब क्या उन्होंने लिखा था. What is the meaning behind it? So he has not given explanation at time. So several words which has not been understood by the what? Translator. Because these are the new words in the dictionary of geography. These words are not existing before. So इस कारण से at several points the Planck has not been able to what is prove himself. He highly criticized Davis theory. Highly criticized Davis theory. यहाँ पर we have to see that two things